Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get Spotify Student, so let's get right into it. Now, what Spotify Premium Student is, it is basically a discount you can get. It is not a separate subscription method or subscription package. It is a discount applied to any one of your already existing subscriptions. So all you need to do is verify your ID, and then you can connect your account and get that subscription discount for yourself. Now, with Premium Student, eligible college and university students get a premium at a discount for up to 4 years, and you'll need to renew and re-verify every 12 months, so keep that in mind. But to do this, you need to fill out the Share ID verification form, which you can find the link anywhere you would like. And if your school isn't listed, you're not eligible currently for this, so I'm sorry, but you'll need to wait. Then you'll be asked to log in to your college or university portal or upload proof of your enrollment, such as an ID or whatever they say is valid. Then they'll email you to confirm eligibility, and this can take several days, so just be patient. And if you have any issues, you should contact their support team. And in the confirmation email, you can apply the discount to a new or existing Spotify account, and that is literally all you have to do. It is as easy as that. Once you do that, you will have a discount for your time at university or college, and as I said, you do need to re-verify and renew every 12 months, so keep that in mind. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.